In today's manufacturing world, delays, handoffs, and unreliable vendors can derail your entire timeline.
Every time I outsource, I lose time chasing down vendors. I just want a partner who can handle it all and do it right the first time.
At PE Manufacturing, we provide PCB assembly, CNC machining, and surge protection know-how, all under one roof. We're cross-trained to keep your builds moving without delay. Our in-house capacity means short lead times and flexible MOQs, whether you need one prototype or a mid-volume run.
Every build goes through first article approvals and in-process inspections.
Whether you're in aerospace, medical, robotics, or building controls, we sweat the details so you don't have to. With PE Manufacturing, you get a dependable American partner that's easy to work with and invested in your success.
Fast, reliable, and no surprises. That's what keeps me coming back.
Let's build something that lasts. PE Manufacturing, built for your success.